Broken screens? Shattered back panels? Don't worry, we've got cutting-edge solutions for cutting-edge problems. Introducing our advanced display glass cutting machine. It cuts through broken glass with surgical precision, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or even a curved display. From screens to back panels, this revolutionary technology ensures accuracy and perfection every time, no matter the make or model. Say goodbye to expensive replacements and hello to flawless repairs at Kickout Mobile Solutions. Experience the future of repairs with our cutting-edge technology, precision, efficiency, and excellence. Contact us to know more.